In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom AI prompt inside of FlyPosts AI. Watch this information and I'll show you how to do it. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, to make FlyPosts AI come alive, all you have to do is click Start a Post here on LinkedIn. Once you do that, and you come inside of here, this will now populate FlyPosts AI right inside of your status posts. And finally, there is a custom prompt. You can write any prompt that you so please and allow the AI to be able to have at it and engage. And that's it. FlyPosts AI, the AI post generator that helps you write your thought leadership and be able to be found to engage with your target audience. Hey, why not download it today at flymsg.io. Not only will you get the AI tools like the LinkedIn commenting capability and FlyPosts, but you'll also get FlyMessage and all of its AI text expander capabilities to continue helping you save 1 hour a day.